If your home still doesn't feel pulled together, even after you've bought everything you thought would make it perfect, then this video is for you. Because here's the truth. A home looks more expensive not by what you add, but by what you remove.
Sometimes we need to pause before we buy, to really look at our space and ask, is this helping me feel calm or just more stuff? Today we're sharing 16 decorative mistakes that instantly designers know make your home look cheap, and how to fix each one so your space feels aligned, elevated, and alive. And believe me, you want to stay for number one.
Here's the thing. When everything in a room matches perfectly, matchy-matchy, your home starts to feel more like a furniture showroom than a reflection of you. It loses that soul, that personality, right, Santi?
Oh yes, it does.
Matching seats flatten the energy in a space. Your home should feel collected, not copied. Think about your favorite outfit. You wouldn't wear the same fabric head to toe, or maybe you would sometimes, right? Design is no different. Mix textures, tones, and finishes within the same palette. Pair a linen sofa with a velvet chair, or balance a sleek table with something natural and earthy. Those contrasts create depth and emotion. When you shop, don't buy entire sets. Please buy pieces you love individually and let them talk to one another. That's what creates design harmony.
The sofa cushions, pillows, and blankets. People love them, but too much of a good thing makes your furniture feel cluttered instead of cozy.
Very grandma-ish.
Overdoing it with pillows can make a room feel messy, and you lose the sense of comfort that layering is supposed to bring. 2 or 3 pillows on a sofa, that's plenty, and 1 for a chair.
Did you ever go to someone's house and like they have 100 pillows on the couch and
it's a whole mess? Yeah. Go for contrast and texture, maybe a boucle, a linen or organic cotton.
Nice.
And please use down alternative inserts, soft, ethical, and long-lasting.
Switch them seasonally to keep energy fresh. Santi, you love doing that. Light linens in summer, cozy textures in winter. Keep what feels alive and donate what doesn't.
That makes your rooms being alive, like each season something different. So you see the decor evolving, which I love that.
And it's something to look forward to.
Yeah.
Oh, this one drives me a little crazy, maybe because of my OCD behavior. I don't know, but
she's a neat freak.
Tangled cords are like visual noise. They interrupt flow and clutter your mind. Our eyes are constantly scanning, and when they see chaos, they send that message to the brain. So hide them, tape them down, use cord covers, or better yet, go wireless when possible. And as new electronics come in, manage the wires right away instead of later. No procrastination, please. It's one of those tiny habits that completely transforms a room's energy.
Now this one is a classic mistake. Rugs that are too small make your room like it's floating in space. Rugs frown a room. They're really like roots of a tree. Without proper scale, everything falls off balance. If your sofa and your chairs feel disconnected, the rug is too small. Layer smaller rugs for an organic, cozy feel. They will bring the room together.
The thing about small rugs in a space, I think it just totally kills a room when they're too small for a room.
I would prefer to go always bigger than what is supposed to be.
Yes, I don't mind the rug.
Larger is not a mistake. Smaller is a mistake.
Yes, I don't mind the rug like creeping out of behind the sofa. I think that's actually very pretty if you can pull that off. Please skip the plastic greenery.
I love this one.
Fake plants do not bring energy or movement. They're static. Real nature emits frequency. It calms, it grounds, and it restores us. Bring in life, bring in living plants. Even one branch or one leaf in a vase can change the vibration of a space totally. That's what we call biophilic design, which is connecting indoors with nature.
That's a beautiful way to decor.
If you're not great with plants, start small. Succulents, vines, cactus, or snake plants. Low maintenance if you don't have a green thumb, which either one of us do. I'm sorry.
I'm learning.
He's learning. You'll feel the difference if you keep it real.
Your entryway is your home's first impression. I call it the home's cleavage. That little peek that says everything about what's coming inside. Limited to 5 elements max: a console, a chair, a pretty bowl for keys, a statement art piece, and one personal touch. Maybe a sculpture or a vase with flowers, which is always a beautiful touch. Don't let the entryway become a dumping zone. Everything here should say, welcome, not chaos. Let it whisper peace the second you walk through that door.
I love how you coined that phrase, that. The entry is the cleavage of a home, because it's so descriptive and so true.
It's just like what's coming.
Yeah, it's like the soul. Art is not about filling every nook and cranny of your home. It's about emotion. Randomly hung or overfilled walls look chaotic and instantly cheapen a space. Curate intentionally. Symmetrical grids or one oversized piece feels very sophisticated. I mean, look at this image of art on this wall I took when I was in Italy. It's just beautiful, beautiful symmetry. Order is key, and invest in authentic frames, please. Never plastic. Use wood, metal, or bamboo.
Nothing fake, please.
Yes, natural. And leave white space. Negative space is powerful. A lot of people don't realize that. It lets your art and your mind breathe.
Old-fashioned pattern comforters and matchy-matchy pillow sets, they had their time, but it's over. Heavy patterns can drain energy and make your bedroom feel stuck. Be mindful that this is your sanctuary, your recharge zone. We spend 1/3 of our time in our bedroom. It's where we rest and heal. Our suggestion is to stick with soft neutrals, creamy whites, earthy tones, and organic fabrics. Layer them with textures, not clutter. Add interest by placing a throw or a decorative pillow with a subtle pattern. Resist that quick fix of purchasing a bed in a bag. Instead, build your bedding with intention. And always choose non-toxic, cruelty-free materials. Your sleep and your health will thank you.
I always say, like, you walk into your bedroom and you should feel If you don't feel something's off.
So if you don't say everything is off.
Everything's off. That's the key.
This one is difficult.
Mixing metals. It is. It's tough, but mixing them is gorgeous when it's done thoughtfully. Without intention, it looks haphazard. Each metal has its own mood. Gold is warm. Chrome is sleek. Black is bold but fading out, so we don't recommend it. Choose one dominant metal and one accent. Let them complement one another instead of fighting and competing. Don't follow trends blindly. Pick metals that reflect your personality and flow naturally with the rest of your materials. You don't want that look of, like, if the kitchen sink faucet needs to be changed, that you put it in a completely different cheap metal that has nothing to do with the rest of
the space.
And then everyone looks and says, the faucet must have broken. Don't be forced into trends, really, if it doesn't fit you. We're about halfway through, and we hope you're enjoying this so far. We're very excited about this video, so please give us a like and make sure to subscribe so you can see more of our videos in the future. Okay? Onward, Santi.
Hardware is like jewelry for your home. Dated or worn handles bring the entire space down. You touch them every day. They're sensory, and they do matter. Change those knobs, pulls, and hinges for updated ones. Choose ones that feel good in your hand. This is an instant, easy upgrade. And please don't buy cheap bulk packages. Invest in quality, even if you do one room at a time. Those little details whisper luxury.
I always think about, too, with hardware and cabinetry, picture your hands wet and opening them. You know, like
how they operate.
Yeah, when your hands are wet, because a lot of times our hands are wet in the kitchen or in the bathroom. Little tip.
Okay.
Smell is the first design element people notice, even before visuals. It is our strongest sense in our body. Scent connects us emotionally. The wrong scent can make a beautiful room feel heavy or artificial. So choose one consistent natural fragrance throughout. Think eucalyptus, citrus, or sandalwood. Use vegan, non-toxic diffusers or candles because the others are really, really dangerous. Skip strong chemical mixes. Your scent should feel like a gentle welcome, not an overpowering perfume counter in a department store.
Don't overdo it, please. Tiny trinkets everywhere, they're truly visual clutter. They don't add. On the contrary, they create visual confusion. Our brains crave simplicity. Too many little things make it hard to focus or relax. And another tip is grouping decorative accessories in threes. Maybe a candle, a small sculpture, or a nice, beautiful book. That's enough. Give everything space to breathe.
I always love things in threes, and I don't know the history of how that came about in design, but threes are really like the magic number.
It's about balance. Yeah, it's like one to the left, one to the right, one centered. That's beautiful. Stop buying unplanned decor on impulse. Tell a story with your items you choose. And please don't buy them just to fill the space.
Right, buying things when you're on vacation, like those ugly salt and pepper shakers. Right? Don't do that. Please do not make your shelves look like a store display.
Please.
Please. Overstyled shelving feels cold and staged. It should reflect your life, be personal and not a catalog or look like a retail store. Mix heights and materials, wood, glass, pottery, plants, and of course books. At the Greenhill property, it took us days, remember, to
find that balance.
Right, that balance. But that patience, we believe, really paid off. And don't rush to fill every shelf. It'll happen. Let it evolve with time, memories, and meaning.
When you say meaning and purposes, that's the whole trick right here.
Right. You want to look at that
And
object.
and it reflects you or your trip or your family or what you love. Color is energy, truly. They influence how you feel. For example, grays, which once felt safe and was super popular, are fading out for one reason. They drain you emotionally.
I am so happy about that, I just have to say, because I was never a lover of grays. I found it personally a little bit depressing.
It is depressing. So when thinking about wall colors, place large paint samples on your spaces, at least 2 by 2 feet, and check how they change in the morning and the evening light. Choose soft whites, warm taupes, or earthy greens for a balanced and serene feeling. Avoid quick picking your paint colors. Again, be intentional and always, always use 0 to low VOCs, non-toxic paints. Your body certainly feels it and your walls will hold it. Painting walls is something that you can change seasonally as well. I mean, such easy way to change the mood of a room. It's always a nice thing to do and it's very inexpensive.
Right, so having said that, if you are someone who really is into trends, paint is the way to go, because if a certain color is popular and you want to be trendy, paint
There
the
you
wall.
go. That's a nice solution.
The forgotten fifth wall. Popcorn ceilings and neglected surfaces instantly date a home. Ooh, we shiver with popcorn ceilings. Smooth them out or paint them slightly darker or lighter than your walls. It's called color drenching, and it's pure quiet luxury, and you are going to see a lot of it in the year ahead. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful. Don't treat ceilings as an afterthought. Add beams, texture, or panels if you can.
Even wallpaper.
Yep. They frame your entire experience of the room.
Now this one's close to my heart. We all hold to things that no longer serve us. Those oversized coffee tables or that chair that someday I'll fix it. Such pieces carry emotional weight. Let them go, donate them, sell them. Free the physical and emotional space they occupy. Don't design from guilt or what if. Design for who you are today. Your home should evolve with you, not hold you back on old energy.
Always choose mindfully, please, materials, colors, and furnishings that honor your health, your values, and the safety of all living beings, human and non.
We'd love to hear from you. What's the first thing from our countdown that you're going to remove? Let us know in the comments and send us pictures if you like. And if you have not done already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so we can hang out again in the next video.
And make sure to watch our next one. It's about 12 mistakes that shrink your space. Design psychology everyone needs to know.
Be tuned.
No.
No?
You can't say be tuned.
Stay tuned.
We can just get rid of that, right?
You can cut it, okay.
Let's see. Can I tell you
Let's do it
something?
again. Let's do it again.